Hi, Stuart Byrne here, and this is video 4 in this series on the major pentatonic scale. In this video, we are looking at the major pentatonic scale, shape number 4. So to begin with, here is chord number, shape number 4, A major. So that is on fret 12. And the shape that fits over the top is, of course, the major pentatonic scale, shape number 4. Now, as with the other shapes, it's important to recognize where the chord tones are, the notes of the chord. As with some of the others, there is a sort of hidden chord tone here. These are obviously in the chord, but this one is not so obvious. Again, if you know music theory, this is a third. You have the notes root, 3, 5, root, 3, 5, but this one is not physically in the chord, but it is still a chord tone. There's also this one here, that is also a chord tone. So where are the non-chord tones? Well, they are here, 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 and here, and here. Those are the sixes and seconds, or seconds and sixes, depending on which way you look at it. So just like before, you should try to spend time using this. Try not to think of it as being minor pentatonic, even though it's visually, it looks like the same as F sharp minor pentatonic shape 5. Try to forget about that, because we can't treat it in the same way that we would have. The bends we would have done when it was a minor pentatonic shape, they don't always apply, or they don't always work well when it is major. So here's a quick example, my A chord, and here's a few phrases. So I'm just trying to play sensible phrases, keeping an awareness in mind of when I am and when I'm not playing chord tones. I can then control the tension that I create when I'm not playing chord tones and the nice resolution when I do play chord tones. As always, doing different keys with different styles of backing tracks, and just focus on clocking up some good premium quality practice time with this new shape if it is new to you. I hope you found the video helpful. Please click a thumbs up and subscribe if you did. See you in the next video.